Greetings, Professor Hobo knocking at your screen again to provide the last of the big power station deals for this Black Friday holiday shopping season. OUPES, affectionately known by the community as OUPES.
OUPES.
It's OUPES. Stop saying oops.
Has a selection of steeply discounted power stations on offer at prices so stupid they're gonna shatter your solar. Let's check them out.
HOBOTECH.
OUPES' new flagship, the Guardian 6000, is their answer to the large home backup dual voltage power stations from other rivals in the market. The difference being is theirs is ridiculously cheap. Of the 5 videos I've done for this Black Friday, this one is the last and offers the lowest prices per watt hour of them all, so stay tuned. The Guardian 6000 packs a 4,600 watt hour battery and a 6,000 watt dual voltage inverter, able to output both 120 and 240 volt split through 4 different types of outlets, from 240 volt twist lock to NEMA 1450R with true 50 amp output, the coveted TT30R 30 amp RV hookup. It also rocks an 18 to 140 volt 2100 watt MPPT solar controller along with wireless app support. But wait, there's more. They also include the highly sought after 30 amp DC output via XT60. According to their specs, it supports both 12 and 24 volt regulated output, and that's a pretty big deal to van lifers and RVers that use a lot of DC appliances. And they pack all this into a unit that's only 25 by 16 by 17 inches at 111 pounds, and it's easy to pull around on its pair of wheels with luggage style handle. It has a 20 millisecond UPS feature and claims to be virtually silent at 45 decibels under 3,000 watts. It's of course battery expandable to 41 kilowatt hours, and while they're outdoing their competition by offering a punch in the face 6-year warranty on their product or a full extra year compared to the competition, now I do have this unit sitting in storage ready for testing. It will be my final review of the year, coming out sometime next week. Although it wasn't clear to me if the Black Friday pricing will continue that long. It certainly looks like a heck of a lot of bang for the buck at only $16.99 or 36 cents per watt hour. Everyone else in this league is still pushing around 50 cents per watt hour or more, so that's a hell of a deal for something that can run vital loads in your home during an emergency. All you really need is a transfer switch that can be installed by any competent electrician. Now, say you want to add more battery or you want bundles with solar panels, all that's available for Black Friday on their page, and I'm going to link to that in the description. And this goes for the other products in this video as well. Now is a good time to remind you that 30% federal tax credit for solar and battery systems is about to this year, and it's something you should really take advantage of if you can. In order to qualify, the system has to be 3 kilowatt hours or larger and integrated into your home. Check with your tax professional to see if you can take advantage of the same tax loopholes as the super rich and score some cash back from Uncle Sam come tax time, or more accurately, get some of your own money back. On to the Mega 2. It offers a 2500 watt pure sine inverter with built-in TT30R 30 amp RV hookup and packs a 2048 watt hour LFP 3500 cycle battery expandable to 10 kilowatt hours. It claims to charge from 0 to full in less than 40 minutes with a max charge speed of 3700 watts. It does have a built-in 20 millisecond UPS backup mode and smart control with monitoring from the OUPES app. The solar input can handle a ridiculous 2100 watts of solar panels all the way up to 140 volts, which is insane for a product of this size. That basically means under perfect conditions it can solar charge in just over an hour. Now that's way up there with what has to be the top 3 charging speeds from solar on the market today. They also now offer a full 6-year warranty on this product too, up from the standard 3 years the last time I talked about it. The Mega 2 with their 240 watt solar panel is going for $819, but with my code HOBOTECH drops it to $778. Now say you don't need that solar panel, you can get just the power station alone for $619 or 30 cents per watt hour. Both prices are the lowest they've ever offered to date on these products, and that's a smoking deal when the competition in this category is still 35 cents or more. I saved the best for last. This is their smallest, newest offering, the Mega 1. The feature set for this price is pretty amazing, as they right off the bat offer a 2000 watt inverter with a 1 kilowatt hour battery, which is actually more inverter than the competition has in this category, because most of them offer 1800 watts. You get dual 100 watt USB-Cs, a 12 volt regulated output including 5521 barrel plugs, which I like. You get the remote app, 20 millisecond UPS, and it even has a higher voltage MPPT controller than the competition in this category, offering up to 75 volts of MPPT at 800 watts. Others You're lucky to get 500 watts at 60 volts. The craziest feature at this price point is that it still offers battery expansion ability up to a whopping 5 kilowatt hours, whereas the competition, if it even offers expansion at this price point, maxes out at like 3 kilowatt hours for their 1 kilowatt hour products. So the Mega One actually lives up to its name because it seems to be more mega than everyone else in the 1 kilowatt hour market, and at an even lower price, get this, $299. Yeah, under 300 bucks or 29 cents per watt hour. This deal should just completely break the internet this holiday. If you still don't think this is a good enough deal for your fancy pants,
No.
Oh well, then there is no pleasing you.
of course I'll provide links in the description to all their Black Friday deals along with the relevant discount codes. I'll pin a comment with those same links. The global link to the OUPES main site is up here on screen, along with a QR code you can scan if you're watching me on TV. Take you on over to their store page where you can check out these amazing Black Friday deals. Using the provided links does keep HOBOTECH going and continue to provide these incredible deals. It also keeps Odin's snoot full of holiday catnip, so we both really do appreciate it. By the way, OUPES put out a hilarious Christmas ad poking fun at the mispronunciation of their name, which I may have had a small part back in 2022 when I revealed one of their first products and called it an OUPES. You saw a clip of that ad at the beginning of this video, and I can't embed the whole thing due to copyright issues, but I will include a link in the description of this video for your viewing pleasure. It's absolutely worth the minute and a half. Now, I really wish more ads were this cute, corny, and funny like they used to be back before social media ruined the planet. Anyway, enjoy and happy Turkey Day.
Odin commands you to like and subscribe, and clean my litter box.